Oh no, I got 500 comments to respond to. Wow, that comment was highly inappropriate. How can I block them? This comment makes me happy because it's well thought out. I wonder if I can promote them. In this video, you'll discover how to save time replying to comments, promote quality comments, add style to your comments, how to handle hurtful or inappropriate comments, and get answers to your most frequently asked questions. Hi, my name's Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload new content. Comments are a great place to make a deeper connection with your viewers. If you connect with them on a deeper level, they'll return to consume more of your content. You can answer their questions or even start conversations. One of the best ways to promote quality comments is to like and heart the comment. When you heart the comment, viewers will see your channel icon with a small red heart. Viewers will also receive a notification that you loved what they wrote. This is a quick and effective way to build loyalty and show appreciation to your viewers. Another great way to promote a quality comment is to pin it to the top of your comments. When you pin a viewer's comment to the top of your comments, other people that are commenting on your videos will see that comment first. You can either pin your own comment or a fan's comment. I often pin a question to the top of my comments so I can get specific feedback from viewers. This helps me to tap into the mind of my viewers and subscribers. Another thing I do is pin a video or playlist to the top of my comments. So when people go to comment on my videos, they'll see the video or playlist. Typically, this is a video that's related to the one that they've just watched. Let me ask you a question. How many comments do you typically get on your YouTube videos? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Adding style to your comments is a great way to make them stand out from the other comments. For example, you can bold the text by adding asterisks on each side of the word or phrase. You can italicize the text by adding underscore on each side of the words or phrases. You can strike through the text by adding dashes on either side of the word or phrase. If you have TubeBuddy installed, you won't have to remember how to style your comments. You just use the icons under the comment. When you reply to comments, it's a great way to start a conversation or answer questions. If you keep the conversation going, it's a great way to get to know your audience better. When you know your audience better, it'll be easier to create videos that they wish to watch. Here's how to manage individual comments. If you click the three dots next to the comment, you can pin the comment to the top. You can remove the comment completely. You can flag or report the comment to YouTube. You can hide the user from the channel. You can always approve comments from this user. You can also add a user as a comment moderator to help you moderate the comments. This is really useful if you have thousands of comments which you can't handle yourself. Here's how to manage comments on a channel level. You simply go to your YouTube studio and click on comments. At the top you see published, held for review, and likely spam. The published comments will appear below for you to respond to. The comments that are held for review are the ones that are automatically blocked by YouTube or blocked by yourself. You can review these comments and approve them, remove them, report them for spam and abuse, or hide the user from the channel. When you hide the user from the channel, their comments will no longer appear on your videos. You can also create a blocked words list, which we'll talk about later. As I mentioned before, if you click on the three dots next to a comment, you can remove the comment, report the comment, hide the user from the channel, always approve comments from that user, or make the user a comment moderator. This is a new tool that helps you to manage your comments by searching for specific words. You can search for specific words, contains questions, reply to comments based upon public subscribers. If you have the TubeBuddy extension installed, you can filter comments that you haven't replied to, replies which need to be followed up on, that contain a question that I haven't replied to, that contain links that you've hearted, comments from Patreon supporters, and comments that contain specific words. If you select advanced, you can filter comments by me, anyone else, etc. Comments I haven't replied to or no one's replied to or needs following up on. Comments that have questions, profanity, positive sentiment, negative sentiment, hearted comments, or particular words. And I can show from 5 to 100 comments at once. Wow, that's going to save a lot of time. If you want to get the TubeBuddy Chrome extension, click the link in the description below this video. You can use promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off any paid upgrade. Another great benefit of TubeBuddy is that you can create canned responses when replying to comments. This will save you a ton of time. For example, I created a canned response for many questions that I get about growing your YouTube channel. With one click, which only takes a few seconds, I can respond to that comment by telling people to watch my series of videos in a playlist. Other canned comments which save me a lot of time includes much appreciated, thanks for your feedback, you're welcome. If you want to be notified about comments from your channel or from other people's videos, go to youtube.com/account_notifications. If you select activity on my comments, you'll be notified about activity on your comments or on others' videos. If you select replies to my comments, you'll be notified about replies to your comments. How the heck do you handle hurtful or inappropriate comments? Here are 3 ways to handle them. Number 1, you can remove the comment and all of its replies. Simply click the 3 dots next to the comment and select remove. Number 2, you can flag the comment to YouTube. If the comment violates YouTube's community guidelines, it'll be removed. Number 3, hide the user. This blocks the user from commenting on any of your videos, and they won't even know that you've blocked them. They can keep commenting on your videos, but the comments won't appear on your videos. Number 4, set upload defaults. If you go to your settings tab, then select community, then defaults, you can have default settings set up for your comments. These will apply to community posts, new videos, but won't affect existing videos. You can allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments, which I don't recommend. If you select automated filters, you can add a comment moderator. Comments from approved users will automatically be published and won't be filtered. Hidden users refers to the comments and live chat messages that are being blocked by yourself, the moderator, or YouTube. The blocked words list includes comments that closely match the words that you've added to the list. These are usually inappropriate words that you don't want to see in your public comments. If you want to learn more about how to create a blocked words list, click the link in the description below this video. If you select blocked links, then hashtags and URLs that appear in the comments will be held for a review. Live chat messages with URLs will also be blocked, but doesn't apply to moderators or approved users. A viewer is told when you heart, like, dislike, pin, or reply to a comment. The commenter will get a notification based upon their notification settings. Likes and dislikes are anonymous. If you like a comment, the commenter will get a notification that you like the comment. Viewers won't get a notification if you dislike the comment. What happens when you mark a comment as spam? The comment will be permanently hidden from your channel. YouTube may also review the comment and the commenter's behavior for spam. What happens when you block someone? All previous comments from your videos from that channel will be hidden within 48 hours. If you block someone, do they get a notification? No, YouTube doesn't send a notification if you block that person. What happens if you unblock someone? All future comments from that channel will appear as comments under your video. Previous comments from that channel on your videos will still be hidden. What's the difference between blocking and hiding someone? Actually, there's no difference because creators use both terms and they both have the same meaning. How do I block someone from spamming my comments? Simply go to the specific comment from that viewer, click on the 3 dots next to the comment, click Hide User from Channel. This will remove the comment and all its replies. What if you're not getting many comments or views on your videos? No worries, just watch the next video on how to target the right audience on YouTube. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.